Decent work and economic growth are essential pillars for achieving sustainable development and improving living standards of community around the world. By fostering an environment that encourages innovation, productivity, and fair wage society can ensure that economic prosperity is inclusive and beneficial for all. This involves investing in education and skill development, supporting small and medium-sized enterprises, promoting fair trade practices. Project mainly aligns with SDG, decent work and economic growth, promotes sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. Our project Agro-drone aligns with SDG because it empowers farmers with modern technology to detect pests early, save crops, and increase their yields. By doing so, we are contributing to economic growth and better livelihoods to farmers. Our vision. As students, our vision is to see a future with strong economics, fair jobs, and sustainable industry, where education, technology, and equality together shape a better working world. A world where every hand has work, every job has work, and every worker has dignity.
Agro-drone bharat. This is a campaign launched by the Indian government in May 2020 with the vision of making India self-reliant and global manufacturing hub. It is not about just becoming a closed economy. Instead, it focuses on strengthening our Indian economy to make them more competitive and integrated with supply chains. The problem statement. So our agriculture it faces heavy losses due to pest attacks. Manual pest identification is time consuming and is quite expensive also. Farmers often realize the issue too late, leading to crop loss and reduced income. The objective is we have designed a drone-based pest detection system using smart sensors, AI and robotic tools. Now the drone will capture real-time images of crops, identify pests using AI models, and it alerts the farmers to pest them an affected area.
So, the working principle. Drone flies over the agricultural field. Onboard camera captures images of the crops. Images are analyzed by an AI pest detection model. If pest detected, the alert sent to the farmer's phone or app. Drone can mark the affected areas using the GPS. Promotes agricultural productivity and innovation-driven employment. Encourages sustainable growth through technology-based farming solutions. So here is a block diagram on how a model will be working. So this is the camera which is input and this is the processing AI pest detection model. So the drone will be flying over the agricultural field and when it detects a pest, it will just stop over there and it will alert the message to the farmer. By this, this is optional case. If the drone will spray the pesticide over there, a further enhanced innovation program. So this is the coding overview. So we can use this for our drone model, and then this is for Arduino for enhanced pesticides model and expected outcomes. So early pest detection reduces crop loss, increases farmers' productivity and income, reduces manual monitoring effort, promotes technological employment in rural areas. So the future scope. Integration with pesticide spray drones, next multi-crop recognition system, cloud-based analytics for large farms, integration with government agricultural. So thank you so much. As students, we believe technology like Agro-drone can transform traditional farming into smart and efficient agriculture. Through this project, we learned how robot